Hi everybody, it's Yemi. I know I may look different today. We had a makeover day with my daughter. We just decided to have a bit of self-love today. Actually started because I wanted to dye my hair, and I put something on Facebook asking if people knew what hair dyes to use, because my hair is really dark. This is my natural hair. I've had to do this because we're on lockdown and my favorite stylist, she's not opened yet, so I'm gonna have to, I was getting too hot for that scarf, so I thought it's time to just get the locks out, put a little bit of makeup on, see my lashes and stuff. So yeah, I try to do that one at a time. I can get my hair done and get my makeup on, but it was quite fun. Anyway, we're off subject. So oh yeah, we're still gonna be off subject. So normally I do this in my kitchen, but my kitchen looks like World War VII because the children have been down there before I can get down there, and it's too much work trying to clean it up and then do this. So I thought I'll do this upstairs in my room, and then I'll go back down and I'll clean the kitchen and I'll make something anyway, so I might as well just do that later on. So we're in my bedroom again. So yeah, I know we're going to be talking about food stuff or kitchen stuff, but we're just going to do it from here. All right, so today I'm going to talk to you about a company called Shein. It's spelled S-H-E-I-N. It's one of those companies like I think like Wish, where you just order these random things, and they're quite cheap and they're quite useful. And the fact that they're cheap and useful just makes it so much fun to order from them. What they do is they give you like loads of discounts. You get like a reward system, so you can get money off later on. It's quite cool. I mean, it was one of those things that when I first started to do it, I thought, oh, it's going to take ages for things to come, but it takes about 10 to 14 days, and that's with this lockdown, so it's not too bad. I got a few things. Normally what I do is once a month, my daughter and myself, we sit through the app, and we just order just loads of random stuff. So what I've done this time is I ordered some stuff for her and the house, and then I ordered some stuff from the kitchen just to see how it would go, like to see quality wise what it would be like. And I've ordered just some random things. When I say random things like a dumpling maker. So I thought let me get this. Let me see what this is like. On a group I sometimes cook with, they were talking about making dumplings a few weeks ago, and it just kind of set things off in my head. So I thought, I'm gonna get it. So I got one of those. The price of this was $4.49. So this, it's quite sturdy. $4.49. I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna use it on Thursday, so I'll let you know how it goes. But yeah, something like that. $4.49. Really cheap, but it's quite durable, quite sturdy. So that was that. And then another random is the water bottle. Now, I admit, when I was buying this water bottle, I thought it was going to be something that I would put in my fridge so that the kids can just, instead of keep making up squash in their glasses, have a nice bottle they can just take out of the fridge. So I ordered this water bottle. It's cute, but it was not what I expected. Tiny little thing, but it's more like a water bottle for on the go. Okay, and it's got like the little flamingo. It's really cute. My daughter loves it, so that's quite cute. This was $7.49, and again, it's quite sturdy, good quality. Got bottle, it does seal. It has that seal in there, so it's quite good. Sorry, for $7.49. I guess it is worth it. It's cute, and it does fit in the fridge. And then you can just be like, who's gonna have one of these in the school playground? So there you go. So that was that. Another random. Another thing I bought were I plan to make some special popcorn soon, and I saw again just random, just flicking through. It's like, oh, what can I get? And I got these little popcorn boxing bag things. Like the ones you get in the cinema. So you just pop it out. Like so. Hold on 1 minute. Pop it out, and then you've got your little box, so you could put your popcorn in there. Right. I thought they're really cute. Again, just a little randomness. So you get 6 pieces, and it's $4.49, and they come in this rose gold, in silver, and in normal gold. And then they have like polka dots. You've got stripes, you've got squares, you've got stars. So I picked the polka dot one because we like a little bit polka dot. What else did I get? Oh yeah, and then I got this baking, it's a pizza pan. Now this is the one thing I have used out of the pack. So when you use this, I didn't think, well, I used it for something else. I didn't use it for pizza. I didn't know what it was going to be like. I just, you know, just bought it as something random. Just so like in like 5 years time, you'd be like, oh, where did I get that from? But when I used it, it's actually quite good. Very non-stick. I baked something in there and it just slid right out. I didn't put anything in it and it just slid right out. So this you have different sizes, and this particular size is $5.49. So I thought that was a really, really, like, you know, like those kind of surprise buys. And yeah, that was really good. I like the pan. I did buy loads of other things. Oh, so we got this. It's a cushion cover. And this thing here, which is really cute, is a wall tapestry, but I've put it as a throw on my chair. This was $10.49, and the cushion cover was $4.49. But I didn't realize that it didn't have the actual cushion in it. So it's just a cover, but it's really soft and nice. So once I get the stuffing for it, it's going to be cool on this chair in my nicely remodeled bedroom. So what else can I tell you about Shein? Discounts. So I haven't actually paid full price for anything with Shein yet. They're always throwing discounts at you. You know, the things like if you can get 15% off, I think, your first buy and things like that. So I've never paid full price yet. The other thing that they can do also is if you qualify for it, you can pay for it, but in 3 installments. So that's a nice one, because then I can get the whole house stuff and, you know, spend about £100-200, and it will be broken up into 3 months, which makes it worth it. So yeah, you should really look into the Shein. I'll put the details about it below. Again, I found it by accident. I think it was on my Facebook timeline. It kind of popped up and I thought, oh, let me see, because I was with Wish before, but Wish takes 9 years for things to come, and it was just getting annoying. So I thought, let me try this. And to be honest, I feel that the quality of the Shein products are a lot better than the Wish ones. I know the Wish ones have some very unique, strange things out there. Some stuff that I'm just like, okay. But, you know, with Shein, you've got your homeware, you've got your cookware, you've got children's clothes, not mothers, that's what I am, a mother, female, ladies wear, that's what it's called, ladies wear, you've got menswear, and I said you've got the home stuff. You know, it's got like lights and things for the house, and then like Grace loves the clothes because they're just perfect, like her age, she's 11. For what they cost, I say it's really, really good quality. It's definitely something you should try out. It's an app. You can get it on iPhone for sure. I'm pretty sure you can get it on Android as well. You get the discounts pretty much straight away, and the more you spend, the more rewards you get. If you write reviews, you get rewards and things like that. So it's definitely worth it. And I think this is probably my 8th purchase with them. I was gonna do like this big haul of stuff, you know, and do my Shein haul, but I kind of had to get some stuff done beforehand. So I'm just giving you a few other bits. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe, like, and leave me a little comment. See you again soon. Bye.